Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in Walmart and I am finding vintage and Grinch Christmas heaven. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. Walmart is stocking, and oh my goodness, every time I come in there is more to see. So I'm starting out with the vintage collection. We're going to move into the Grinch, the Disney, the Snoopy. They've gone really crazy this year. There's a little bit of everything. So over here they do have the little elves in a sleigh. It does light up. I didn't see them do any dancing or play music. This Santa, however, is animated and sings some songs at the piano. Over here, this is actually a clap animated dancing Santa and Mrs. Claus. I couldn't get it to start, but I'm sure that the people around me got entertained because I was sure clapping up a storm over here trying to get these two to dance because, yeah, clap on, clap off. All right, up here they have the little vintage looking elves. All kinds of different little outfits on those. They've also got the pink ones for those of you who like the pastels, $6 for those. Next to those, they have the snowmen and Santa in the vintage look as well, $6 on those as well. Calling them knee holders. I don't know, this one's a little spooky to me. Like if I saw this on the shelf, I don't think I'd be thrilled as a small child. What about you? Do you love them? Over here they have a Santa that is definitely me in an Archie Bunker style chair. Come about the second week of December. It's pretty funny. I walked away from it and then it reclined suddenly, so I came back with my phone in hand to record, but he definitely scared me, so I jumped a little bit. I do think it's funny. He's snoring. I wish that the remote was the button and not the other side of the armchair. They brought back the little vintage radios in the blue with the Christmas tree, and then in the red with Santa in the red truck. And those are $25, and if you can hear the whistling, that's Santa over here in his chair snoring. That gave me a great chuckle. Over here they have more vintage items. These are new. These are really pretty candle holders, votive holders. Actually pretty good size. They come in the 3 different colors, and they do have little cutouts on the back of stars for letting all of, or I guess they're snowflakes actually, all of the candlelight out. Very cute. I love that one in the Santa in the pink. Those I believe were $6 a piece, and then they've got the banners back that are vintage. So they've got one in Mary that has the reindeer, and then this one in Joy with Santa. And here is a better look at the Mary one. They also have this one that is just all vintage characters, so it's a little smaller. Down here they have some vintage trinket trays. I think these would also be nice little spoon rests. So they've got 4 to choose from: the tree, the ornament, the snowman, and Santa. And up here they brought back the candles. I know these flew off the shelves last year. I don't remember there being a gnome last year, so if you do, comment down below. They are LED candles. They do light up. That snowman is so sweet. Such a precious little face. I love that. That one's not scary to me, but some vintage items are. They do have the nostalgic trees. These are $30. They come in 3 colors. They also have mini trees that light up. So this one in the green with the cardinal. I think that one is really pretty. They also, this one's my favorite, the white with the dove on top in gold. Beautiful. And one in the peppermint in red. Down here they have the climbing Santas and elves. So these Santas come in 2 outfit options, and then they've got the little elves as well. Those are $60 a piece. Super cute. Over here I found some more candle items. So these are new. I don't remember seeing these last year. They are $7, and they are standing LED candles in ceramic in the vintage Santa and the snowman. I love this snowman, so sweet. So they do light up and they're battery operated. And then they have this. I don't remember seeing this last year either. This is $14. It's a set of 2 Christmas tree mugs with lids on top. And up here they have some wooden, are these called nesting figures? Matryoshka dolls. They come in the snowman as well as Santa. And over here they have some ceramic ornaments. So these are actually $6 a piece. They're pretty heavy ceramic. They come in the reindeer, snowman, and Santa. Down below they have the vintage Christmas tree ornaments for $6 in 3 colors, and they brought back those little mini mug ornaments, perfect if you do any kind of Christmas tree in your kitchen. They've got all kinds of characters, including a gnome and a soldier. These are amazing. I turned around and found these. So these are actually glitter styrofoam vintage looking ornaments. They are on PVC, and so like a pick. They come in the 2 ornaments. They come in a snowman and in a Christmas tree. They are glitter, be forewarned, and it comes also in a wreath. But these are so cute and would be perfect with any kind of vintage or candy themed tree. I think these would be great added in. The way they outlined them in gold, to me, they look like cookies. You could cover these with some clear wrap and a bow, and they would definitely look like little treats. Now they also have the oversized peppermints. These are really well done. Again, a lot of glitter, and I think these are a little bit nicer than the ones I put out last year. So I did find it in the lollipop in peppermint, red, as well as green, and they're $8.84 a piece. Now that is a little more expensive than the ones at Hobby Lobby, because Hobby Lobby already has Christmas at 50% off, but these are super cute if you are in the market for them. Now there are a few things over here I have to show you that have a vintage vibe and a little bit of gingerbread. These are some of their little signs that they do. They're roughly like 9 by 11 inch, and they're $5 a piece. I love those vintage ones. They also have some more traditional Christmas ones. I'm loving that they're doing a lot of blue in Christmas. They also did quite a few of the nativity, and I love and appreciate that so much. Down here they've got some taller tag style Christmas signs, and those are only $5, but this is amazing. So these are $10. They're already painted, and they are just little easy slide on assemble trees. They come in the green, pink, white, and sort of a blue turquoise. Now they are putting out some larger signs for $10. They have a few gnomes, but these gingerbread are absolutely adorable. They are $6.44. They come in a boy as well as a little girl, and then up here they have them sort of like a totem pole for $10 with the 3 stacked gingerbread. Those will go quickly. They also have the toy soldier or nutcracker and snowman countdown. Great prices on those, but those gingerbread are absolutely adorable. Down here they have an oversized snowflake. It is $10. It is white and wooden, quite lightweight, but I can appreciate the price for that size of an item. Now let's get into all of the Grinch and Disney and Nightmare Before Christmas, and even some Snoopy items for Christmas.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Now, to me, adding the characters to the blow molds is the perfect combination. They have the Grinch and a few others. They're $15. They're tabletop. I would say probably close to 18 inches. They also have the taller ones. I think these are closer to 3 feet. Some are taller than others. Now, these actually plug in. So I wanted to show you guys, they do have the lights and the bulbs in the back. So you'd have to actually plug those in. Here are some more of the smaller tabletop versions. They have them in Minnie, Mickey, the Grinch, and then also Jack from the Nightmare Before Christmas. So they actually had him missing on the shelf. They had him outside in the garden section, but it's definitely the Grinch to go there. They also have the Grinch signs, and the Cindy Lou was inside. So maybe they're just letting the ladies go and chill inside, but they have that one in the standing version as well, about 3 feet. And I believe those are $45. They also have a ton for the Grinch lovers, including the oversized plush faces of Cindy Lou, as well as the Grinch. These are huge. I venture to say, and I'm not sure, but I think these feel a little bigger than the ones from Hobby Lobby, but they're $25, so I don't know how that compares. I don't remember the price on them, but they're huge. So they do have those. They also have the blow-ups of the Grinch and Cindy Lou and Jack and Mickey and Minnie. And then they have a lot of signage for outside, including the garden stakes in wood as well as in metal. And then the taller standing signs. So some of them are priced right around $16. And then they had this set for $20 that was like a lawn set. These do have little kickstands on the back of them. And these were priced at $17. And then they do have some taller ones that are more like a welcome sign that are $20. Those also have kickstands, and they come in a few versions in the Jack as well as the Grinch. These are smaller. These are like garden stakes, and those are $10. They also have a hanging Grinch that you could put near your front door. And here's a good look at the Cindy Lou. So these are actually $35, and they have a few different ones. Look like they had some on a cart. So they have Minnie, but these... Oh my goodness. These are definitely vintage inspired for $20. They've got the light up candles as well as these little peppermint candy lollipops and then blow molds. So definitely some vintage looking items in the blow molds that are not licensed characters. So they have Santa, they have a snowman. We'll take a better look at those in a second, and the huge peppermint. But they also have this little set of looks like kids in a nativity for $150. They have a full-size nativity for $69. And down here, oh my goodness, gingerbread blow mold. It's $59, so it's $60. It's a little pricey. It's well done. I think it's super cute. It's probably one of the tallest that they have this year. Oh, 58. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm wondering now if they're going to be putting out a gingerbread girl and boy. So far, this is what I'm finding. So some cute items. What I'm noticing is there's a lot of lights, and I love that I can hit the button and step away and they stay on for just checking out how they are. I'll show you that with that dog next. So this toy soldier is $45. So pretty, well done. Now, here's a look at what I was talking about. It's so nice to be able to step back and take a look at it. So on this one, the pup has the lights in his mouth, and that's the part that lights up. Also some on the hat, and then they have the gnome as well that lights up. Now I'm curious about the mouse. It's interesting to me. I don't know. Is there a story I'm missing? I thought it was always not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse, which would mean they don't have on a Santa hat and a gift in their hand. They do have this adorable vintage snowman, and I remember in the last few years, things like this are the first to go, so I want to be sure and share them with you guys quickly. I'm super excited to see what they bring out next. Thank you guys so much for coming with me to Walmart to look at Christmas, and I'll see you back very soon.